Good day, everyone. In our last video, we talked about health, the importance of staying healthy, and we talked about preventive health care and wellness promotion and why we should pay more attention to our health. And in doing that is making sure we get rid of the toxins in our system. And one of the best way to get the body detoxify is by cupping therapy. And I'm sure a lot of us have heard about cupping therapy or read about it. But for those hearing it for the first time, cupping therapy is a form of alternative medicine whereby a trained therapist use specialized cups to create suction on the skin. There are different types. There are quite a lot of cupping, but we are going to be focusing on the one we use at Hijama Clinic. And there are three types: the dry cupping, the wet cupping, and the fire cupping. The dry cupping, this gives you a massage feel where we move the cups around or we fix it to the body and leave it to rest for a period of time. Then we remove it after some time. After 3 to 7 minutes, we remove the cups and you will see some circular marks. Some are darker than some, and this is the dry cupping. Then the fire cupping, this type of cupping therapy we apply with the use of heat. A flame is introduced to the empty space of a cup to consume oxygen. The cup is then quickly applied on the skin, creating a vacuum. So we leave it for some time before the cups are being removed. And the same thing, there will be circular marks, and some are darker than some. Then we have the wet cupping. It's also known as Hijama. We create a mild suction by leaving the cup in place for 3 to 5 minutes. Then we remove the cup and create small scratches. I call it small scratches because they are not incision. They are very tiny scratches and you don't even feel it while it's being created. Then next we do a second suction, drawing out a small quantity of blood. After which you leave those cups in place for about 3 to 7 minutes. Then you remove the cups and clean and use antiseptic to prevent infection. So subsequently, we'll be talking about benefits. Who should get cupping? How would you feel after you finish any of this cupping therapy? Things to expect. We are starting a conversation. Creating awareness about cupping therapy. A lot of people don't know about it. They don't even want to try it, despite the fact that it's very safe. You can get the medical benefit of it. You can get the spiritual benefit of Hijama Islamically, and it's a forgotten sunnah. And we'll be talking about this, creating awareness, answering questions, and you can always drop your question. We'll get back in the next video. We'll have another conversation. Thanks for listening. Thank you.